You can earn more than $1,000, $2,000 or even $3,000 just by side hustles. And my dad's response to that would be, heh, sure. But we live in the internet age. There is money literally everywhere. All you have to do is to get it. So I made a list of 8 side hustles, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. I mean, I'm not saying that with these methods you can get a millionaire. Maybe with some of the methods. But at least you can earn a good amount of money to live your life. Now, of course, you need to be willing to work, because these methods are not how to get rich quick kind of stuff. Number 1 is being a video editor. In the last years, we have seen the rise of TikTok and afterward the rise of YouTube Shorts. Every single day there are even more short form content creators, which increases the need for video editors. So if you know how to edit videos, this is a big opportunity for you. You can easily make $1,000, even $1,500 per month just editing for a YouTuber. If you think you can edit more videos, I mean, if you think you have the time to edit more videos, you can edit for more YouTubers and earn $3,000 plus a month. I mean, I know that editing videos, especially long form videos, sometimes can take a bit long, and that's exactly why there is a need for video editors. YouTubers want to create more and more videos, but they can't do that if they keep editing their own videos, because they know that as well, that editing videos take a lot of time. So that's why they hire video editors. And if you're good at video editing and you can keep the retention rate high in your videos, they will gladly pay you good amounts of money, because that's what YouTubers want. They want the viewers to watch the video till the end. And if you don't know how to edit videos, that's not a problem at all. There are millions of online courses in which you can learn video editing. You just need to be willing to do what's necessary. Number 2 is graphic design. If you're good at graphic design, you can, for example, go to Twitter and find people who need help with graphic design. That's something that I did too. Like 2 years ago, I was going to Twitter and finding people who needed YouTube designs, especially banners. So I made money by doing banners for them. There was a need, and I was meeting it. Now what I'm gonna say might go to the business and agency side of it, but whatever. If you know video editing and graphic design at the same time, you can offer them both. Like if you're gonna edit videos for a YouTuber, you can simply go to them and tell them that you also know graphic design, so you can do the channel designs for them, the thumbnails. That's some extra income. Number 3 is coaching. If you are talented or knowledgeable about on literally anything, you can do coaching. That can be video editing, chess, fitness, playing the guitar. There are people who are willing to pay you to learn these skills. Which the good part is that most of these skills can be taught virtually, so you can do all of the work from your room via Zoom. I know you might have the feeling, but why would they pay me for that? If you're just starting, start from low. Like, don't charge ridiculous amounts. Start from low and over time build your way up. Number 4 is YouTube. You can think of YouTube like coaching, but a bit broader. If you have anything that you love to talk about, you can become a YouTuber. Like there are thousands of videos on YouTube in thousands of different categories. There are YouTubers who simply create videos to entertain people. If you have an interesting life, you can simply record that and share that. There are people who do that, but if not, don't feel sad. You can just simply teach stuff or talk about stuff. That's what I do. I talk about money. I show people how to make money and building my way up as well. And on YouTube, you can actually make a lot of money. Like making $3,000 to $5,000 per month is very achievable. Even making $1 million a year. To make $1 million a year, you need $84,000 per month. And there are so many YouTubers who can earn that amount. Of course, YouTube is not easy, and at the beginning you might not make any money at all. Like for me, it took 6 months to start making money on my other YouTube channel. But was it worth it? Hell yeah. Doing and talking about something that you love and making money at the same time? It sounds great, but you might have a problem. You feel weird talking to a camera. I mean, it's not a person, right? Basically, you're not comfortable in front of a camera. I wasn't either. Most of the YouTubers weren't. Watch this video of mine that I recorded 4 years ago.
Ben Arda. Bugün sizlerle birlikte tam bir yani bir konu üzerine bir video çekmeyeceğim. Yani bu video düzeni hakkında olacak.
You obviously didn't understand anything because I wasn't speaking English, but you could understand that I wasn't comfortable. But you know what they say, practice makes perfect. You get used to it over time. And after a point you won't think, I'm talking to a camera for 30 minutes, so just chill. Number 5 is TikTok content creation. We all know TikTok and how it has blown up over the years. Also how fast it can change lives. Due to its algorithm, you can create an account and a day after you can get thousands or even millions of views. Meaning you can grow on TikTok pretty fast and get brand deals and make a lot of money. Or if you don't want to create content for yourself, you can create it for someone else. You can basically edit TikToks for different content creators. They might have a YouTube channel or a podcast, and you can simply go to them and tell them, hey, I've seen you have a podcast channel, but I couldn't find a TikTok channel of yours. You can get so many more views with TikTok, so I can create a TikTok account for you and create videos there. And like that, you can share your podcast and reach out to more people. That's what I came up in 30 seconds like while I was talking, I'm pretty sure you can come up with something better. Number 6 is being a moderator. You can be a Discord or Facebook group moderator. There are lots of groups with thousands of people, and when you reach to that point, the creator of that group can't actually handle everything himself. So naturally they need a moderator or a moderation team. I mean, if you get good enough, you can build your own moderation agency and have people work for you. Like, you can offer moderation services to big groups, and you can even offer 24-hour moderation service because you have a team and you can build the team from all around the world. So when there's nighttime on the place A, there will be day in the place B. And that's great for group owners because they will know that everything will be handled in their service for 24 hours a day. Number 7 is being a website designer. Now, in this method, you obviously don't create a website that just looks good. Oh, the website looks good, yeah, but that's not the point. You must know about conversion rates, positions that would be the best for higher conversion rates. I mean, I'm not sure if that's the term to use, but there is something called prime area, prime screen, that when you open your phone or your computer, it's the place that you look first with your eyes. YouTube and other platforms use that, and you need to know this stuff because brands care about that, because they want more sales. They want to make more money, so you have to make the website simple and easy to use for the customers. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very nice and easy way to make money, but of course, at first you need to have an audience and traffic. So if you like have a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, as we mentioned before, you can basically do affiliate marketing because you will have an audience. Basically, in affiliate marketing, you share a link of a product or a service, and when people click your link and buy that product or service, you earn some money, you earn a commission. Now you might think, well, you're telling us all this stuff, but do you actually do any of them? Yes, I do. But that is not why I'm telling you this. I just want to show you that there are a lot of ways if you actually want to work and make money. And those are some of them. If you have talent and knowledge to do this stuff, you can make money. Even if you don't have the talent or the knowledge, you can learn this stuff and then start making money. Now is the best time to start.